A good marriage must be created. In the art of marriage, the little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say I love you at least once each day. It is never going to sleep angry. Grandad used to say that. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It is standing together facing the world. It is forming a circle of love that gathers in the whole family. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is having the capacity to forgive and forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each can grow. It is finding room for the things of the spirit. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
The reading's called Forever Now, and it's a song by Michael Bublé. I just met you. It seems like yesterday. You opened up your eyes and I recognised your face. You know that you're the one that we've been waiting for. We're going to keep you safe. First I held you in my arms. I knew I'd love you all the way. I took you in at night. Another day has passed. Each week goes by a little faster than the last. It wasn't so long ago. We walked together and you held my hand. And now you're getting too big to want to. But I hope you'll always understand that I'm always going to lift you up. I'm never going to let you down. No matter what you do, I'm forever proud of you. I love you forever now. Through your ears I hear it, through your eyes I see a world full of magic, full of possibilities. You know as well as anybody how tough this life can be, but you've got so much strength inside you, a strength I pray you'll never need. And I'm always going to lift you up, and I'm never going to let you down. Time flies by. I hope you realise that I'll love you forever now. I'm always going to be right here, always going to cheer you up. I'm always going to have your back. You're never going to be alone. And I'm always going to lift you up, and I'm never going to let you down. No matter what you do, I'm forever proud of you, and I love you forever now.
call upon these persons here present
I call upon these persons here present
to witness that I, Eleanor,
to witness that I, Eleanor,
do take you, Emily,
do take you, Emily,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
And Emily, I call upon these persons here present
I call upon these persons here present
to witness that I, Emily,
to witness that I, Emily,
do take you, Eleanor,
do take you, Eleanor,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
I promise to love you unconditionally and do everything I can to support you. I promise to be there for you in the crazy ride of life, the good times and the bad. And lastly, I promise to always make time for you and to make you laugh every day.
I promise to challenge you to be everything I know you can be, to provide all that I can for us, to help you always see in yourself what I see in you. An inspiring woman, my wife, for whom I will always feel the greatest pride and admiration.